Hey YouTube, today we're going to talk about why you need to upgrade your headlights on a G-body. This is going to probably stick to the 82 and up ones because they're dual headlights and there's a lot more modifications you can do on those cars versus the single headlight, which is the 78 to 81 cars. So let's get at it. Alright guys, so the first one is the H4 setup. This is a H4 housing. Now ignore all the nastiness inside. This is a glass front and then plastic back, and there's the H4 bulb that is removable versus there's the old stock. There's the difference. So this is the first upgrade. It is better than stock, but not better than the other two options I'm going to show you. But this is a good upgrade if you want to keep and you just want to replace the bulbs anytime you want to do upgrades. And the next one is this 4x6 LED headlight. Now this could be used for your low beams or high beams. This is what I prefer over the H4 due to I would rather have all LEDs for the housing, but you can go the cheaper route and get the H4 housing and then put an LED bulb in it. So you can go either way. I prefer this way out of the two because I like LEDs. Now for this headlight to work, you do have to repin two of the wires that run to the pigtails to the headlight, which it does that. Every LED housing or H4 housing has that instructions in the instructions. So you just have to reposition two pins. Most of the time you can use like a pick or a screwdriver to do that. If you don't want to get that much involved, I will show you the last option, which is the coolest, and it's a fun thing to find at a junkyard if you're lucky. So let's get to the next one. So now this is the third option, which is kind of cool. It does require the most modifications due to how this is set up, but this is your 87 to 90 Caprice, which they call it the Euro Caprice, or you can get them as the Chevy Celebrity housings. So if you do get one, you want to get the whole backing. Now this is kind of like the H4 housings, but because this has your removable bulbs for high and low, this does require modifications, but it is the coolest because of how it looks once it's done, which I'll throw some pictures on the screen now of some G-bodies that have that upgrade done to it. You can do this on all 82 to 88 G-bodies as long as it's dual headlight setup. So just something to think about. Happy hunting, and let's get to the rest of the video. So I hope that was kind of a quick tips and will help you out for your journey to upgrade your headlight. If this brings value and helps you out, share it to somebody else that has a G-body that will help them out too. And like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.